it's me, the mom.
What are you doing?
Touching everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I'm here with Hungry Mom.
Hello everyone, it's me again.
We're gonna try, this is something from Trader Joe's. These are sweet and salty umami crunchies. Like umami.
It's for mommy.
Yes, rice crackers. They are
wow.
sweet and salty, and there's little pictures of these rice snacks riding bicycles. Can you see those? She doesn't see so well.
My picture's on the back.
No, your picture's on the back, but there's little
Yes.
rice snacks riding bicycles. You get an ounce for 150 calories. We're gonna try these.
Okay.
Interesting. Here, try that.
Thank you.
We're gonna try it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Interesting.
What do you think?
Crunchy, I don't taste much flavor.
But they're a little sweet and they're a little salty.
Yes,
What?
I think they're more sweet than salty.
And I think they're a little more salty than sweet.
We differ.
Yeah, the dog thinks it's sweet, and the bicycle rider thinks
Always
it's salty.
said I was a dog.
Wait, do you want to try another one?
No thanks.
You don't love these.
I don't love them.
Okay. Rate them from 1 to 10.
I give that a 4. I'm
Wow,
sorry
a
if it's
4.
that good to...
I give these about a 6.5 because maybe they would be good like if you crush them up on a salad or something. Okay, these umami sweet and salty crunchies from Trader Joe's. They don't get the Hungry Mom seal of approval. Sorry.
Even though they're mommy.
Ooh.
I don't know. I don't know.
Hey, make sure you follow me for more taste tests with Hungry Mom.